Hey guys, Dugiedugdug here and welcome to the video. And today we're looking at the command block invention for this week. And you guys will notice the floor is made from polished andesite, not iron blocks. And that means we're on the new world. So yeah, this is the new world. Obviously I'm quite a while away from the creations. Haven't done much yet, but we'll head back over there when we look at how this command block invention works. But yeah, so the last world will be going up for download. It won't be going up in this video, but it should on the first video next week, because I'll have more time to work it out. And I don't actually know how to put worlds up for download right now, so I'm sorry about that, but that's so important, so let's get on. So basically what I've got today, guys, is I have retro-style cheat codes using command blocks. So basically when I say retro-style cheat codes, I mean back in the day where we had games where you could, like, you went onto the menu and then you had to, like, type in a word and then you could unlock things. They don't do that in games anymore. They should do that more. Like Sims, for instance, when you did, like, the mother load, stuff like that. So, yeah, so I've basically got that today. So I've got my book and quill here, and you can see if I go ahead and type cheat code. And so I'm going to pretty much go in order of interest from what I think. So if I go cheat code craft and hit done, then you'll see cheat code successful and a crafting table has popped up. So if you guys don't believe that actually popped up, you'll see that there's nothing around me right now. And then I can go cheat code craft, and then when I'm done, I hit done, and there it popped up just there in front of us. So yeah, so that's the first code. I have 3 set up today, and I'm also going to be doing a tutorial of how to build your own. So that's the first one. So the second one, I actually just said it a second ago. This is a reference to Sims, obviously, is motherload, spelled like that. In Sims, if you do this, it'll get you like 50,000 money, I think it is. But yeah, so if we hit that, you'll see that we get 64 emeralds, 64 diamonds, and 64 gold ingots, and we get the book back again. The book can be in any slot. I just moved it to the first slot because it looks nicer. Actually, let's have it in, like, I don't know, that slot. That's 6. I can't count. Just to show that it works anywhere. But you'll see that in the commands later on, guys. So if we just say cheat code, and then this is another reference, and if any of you get it, then you're just awesome, basically. So if we type suit up, and then we do that, we get cheat code successful, said that all of the times, and we have the book and quill back, and we have a full set of diamond armor. So, like, obviously, you guys might think that I had that on before, because I've just realised I didn't show you to prove that I don't, so you can see I take it off there. Took it off just then, and I can type suit up, done, and then I've got a new set of diamond armor. So obviously you probably wouldn't put this in like a survival map or anything, because like it just gives you free. It would give you free stuff, and you could just farm stuff, and it probably wouldn't be very helpful. But I mean, you could if you want. But to be honest, I just kind of made this because it's a cool little gadget thing, and I wanted to show it off to you guys, and also show you guys how to build this yourself. So this is what we have set up. So it looks a bit complex, but each of these sides they're pretty simple, and each one is a cheat code. So what we're doing is we're basically clearing for writable books, and then when that works, we're setting the block to an unpowered comparator so that this ticks on and off, and then we're testing for whether it says the cheat code. So this one's motherload, and then we're just giving the stuff here, and then saying cheat code successful, removing the book, and giving a new book. So that's basically clearing the writing in the book. I was going to do like entity data, but that's really difficult to do, and I couldn't be bothered. And also there's not much point, to be honest, because you can just do that and it's much more simple and actually works a lot nicer. So yeah, so we've got 3 here. This one just looks a little different because I had 4 commands for all of the replace items for the diamond armor, meaning that this clear one had to go out one, so I've just got a repeater and then a repeater going into the give one. So yeah, so let me just grab the stuff and I will show you guys basically what we've got to do to create this. So first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to... That was a cave sound, that was creepy. First of all, we're going to want to make this and just do the standard... the standard super fast clock. I can't speak while I'm typing, I'm really sorry. And we'll just make that. So you guys should know how to do this. If you don't, then you can slow down or pause the video, obviously. Not slow down. To look at the commands, but for some reason that keeps making that cave sound. You guys can't hear that, but it keeps doing it. So if we shove a redstone block in there, then we get this really nice super fast clock. So basically we're going to put 1 command block here, and then that's going to go into this with a comparator, and then we're going to put a block here, and then for as many modules we want, so we're just going to do one module, but you can put them all around here, and then you can have another one of these coming off the other side if you want to make more and more codes. But we're just going to do one today, so we're going to have it out here. Actually, let's just bring that in one block if we're only going to do one today. So then we're going to run that into another comparator, I think. Is that right? Yeah. Sorry. And then whatever we want to do, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to affect them with speed. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put 2 command blocks down already, and then put down however many command blocks you need for the thing. So if I'm just going to affect them with speed, I only need 1 extra command block to do the speed, and that'll be it. And then we go another block, a repeater, and then another command block. So once you've got this layout, you can pause the video now to try and get this layout. But once you've got this, so yeah, wait, pause now, guys. If you're gonna, if you want to look. But yeah, so once we've got that set up, we're gonna come into the first one, and we're gonna go /clear @p. This is pretty simple. Writable. Oh no, I can't. I just clicked off it. Writable book, and then we're going to go 0, 0. So basically that means that, so I was just checking in, put extra space. That's going to clear the book from our inventory, but it's not actually going to clear the book from our inventory, if that makes much sense. What I've just realised, guys, is you're actually going to want 2 command blocks here, so just put another one on the top. So we're going to put the bottom one here, we're going to check the direction, so it's +Z, so we're going to do /setBlock, and then we're going to go 1 +Z, and then we're going to go unpowered _ comparator. So once we've done that, you might need to check the direction. Now I know for a fact that this one's already right because I know that it faces in -Z when it's standard. But you might need to add 1, 2, 3 or 4 here. No, 1, 2 or 3 here to change the direction of the comparator so that it comes back to how it is now. I'm just going to mention, guys, now I've just realised I might sound a bit weird, and that's because I'm kind of losing my voice because I had a kind of active day yesterday and I am kind of losing my voice. So if I sound weird, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. So we've got that set block, and then what we're going to want to do is, I just realised I've done them the wrong way around. Okay, guys, so switch them over. I'm going to do that off camera, but make sure your set block is up here rather than down here. Okay, guys, so we've moved the set block to up there. So what we're going to do here is we're going to /clear @p writable book. So writable book is the damage score, the identity ID for a book and quill. It's called writable book. And then we're going to do 2 curly brackets like this. And what you're going to write is you're going to write pages with no capitals, and then you're going to put colon and then 2 square brackets, and that's all inside curly brackets, obviously. So once you've done that, you can pause now if you need to catch up with that. But once you've done that, you're going to put 2 speech marks here, and between the speech marks, quotation marks I should probably say, you're going to put whatever you want them to type. So I have cheat code, obviously, first, as you guys saw. So we've got cheat code, and then we're going to write whatever we want our cheat code to be. So I said I wanted to give it speed, so I'm going to go, I'm going to call it dash. So cheat code dash, and we're basically going to have that gone. So that basically means that when we've got the book, it's going to repeatedly go here, and then once we've got the book and we have cheat code dash written in it, it's going to power this once. So what we need to do is we want the bottom one to /clear @p writable book, writable book, and then 0, 1. So this 0, 1, you saw that there too. I've just realised we don't want to do 0, 1 in this one. We want to do 0, 0. That's my fault, sorry. But in this one we do want to do 0, 1 because that means we're actually taking one of them off them. And then in the middle one, these are all quite simple commands, so I'm going through them quite quickly. We're going to do /say, and then wait, no, you don't need quotation marks, do you? Cheat code successful. You can have your own message. You could even have messages for all of them, so you could say you used dash at the end. I'm just going to show that it's quite easy to make custom bits on them. So we're going to do that. And then here on this last one, not the one here, but the one at the end after the repeater, we're going to do /clear, can't speak, @p, and then, no, /give, sorry, not /clear, my bad, /give @p writable book. and that's actually all we need to put in here. Make sure when you're writing writable book, guys, every time in this, you use an underscore between writable and book. So yeah, so basically this command block we have left, and you might have ones here. Oh no, not that. Here and here. If you're like doing more than one function, but we've just got the one. And then basically all you're gonna do is write the command that you want to actually happen to the person when they use this cheat code. So over there we've got obviously the give the precious materials, and then here we've got the armor, and here we've got, what's this one again? I don't know. Oh yeah, the crafting table, that's right. So what we're going to do here is we're going to basically affect the player with speed, so that's 1, and then I'm going to put time of infinite, and then amplify of 2, so that they get speed 3. And basically, guys, once you've done that, you've got it all done. So let's just go ahead and try this out. Okay, guys, so I've got myself a book and quill, and if your machine's working, hopefully this comparator should be flashing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this book and quill up, and we're going to write cheat code, and then we're going to write dash, and we're going to close it, and there you go. You see, we've got cheat code successful. You use dash, we now have a clean book, and speed 3. So that is all that is really to this invention, guys. Hope you guys can follow this tutorial properly, and like, yeah, hope I wasn't talking too unclearly, unclearly. But yeah, so I hope you guys find this cool. If you do, please do like, comment, and subscribe, because it really does help me out. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.